Si Morado. Kompleto ng uniforme yan, yung B-trade. Yung hindi kompleto, yung VIP. Patry mo ng free throw. Complete uniform yan, yung VIP. Yung pala, yung B-trade. Yung VIP ang Ilang buto. Okay, let's begin our third game for tonight. Battle between B-Trade versus VIP. Ayun na, Villanueva. Basket count. Ayun na, Mirador. 14. Kapuyan for the rebound. Paso Patino. Paso Ramirez. Ayun, steal. And counter steal kay Bram Patino. Paso Villanueva. Pull up. Overshoot. Ayun, Kapuyan. To Morado. Back to Villanueva. Morado open. Basket count. Ayun na, Mirador. 4-3. Sumablay. Ayun lang. May tulak. Number 3, Gingo. First personal foul. First team foul. Ayun na, Kabuyan. Foul number 3, Gingo. Dalawa na. Patino, Paso Ramirez. 11 to shoot. Ayun, Kapuyan. 5, Patino for 3, Kapos. Ayun na, Castillo. Sinamid. Paso Mirador. Gingo open. Lumabas pa. Ramirez for the rebound. Paso Patino. Patino din the ball. Patino. Paso Kapuyan. Erase. Villanueva. Sablay. Ramirez and Castillo. Paso Lucas and Mirador. Sumablay, put back, is good for 2. Sagitan, ayun na, Patino for 2. Sagitan yun, Sagitan. Ayun na, Castillo. Paso Mirador. 12 to shoot. Paso Lucas. Gingo for 3. Sumablay, rebound, Villanueva. Paso Patino. And Patino. Paso Ramirez for 3. Sumablay. 10. 5. Ayun na, Morado. Basket count. It's 4-8-2 in favor of BIP. 14 to shoot. Lucas for 3. Sumablay, Castillo. Pasok Kabuyan. Sumablay, rebound, Kapuyang for the putback. The score 10-2 in favor of BIP. Sugitan. 14 to shoot. 10. Mirador, for 3. Sumablay. And Patino doing the ball. Ayan, still coming from Sugitan. Ayan, Lucas. Paso Sugitan. Sumablay, rebound. And Villanueva. Paso Patino. Ramirez, pull out. Is good for 2. Ayan na, Mirador. 14 to shoot. 10. Basket kang Bang Sugitan. Exactly 5 minutes remaining. Ramirez, open for 3. Sumablay, rebound, tapikan, ayun na, Mirador, giving the ball. At meron foul na ginawa kay Ramirez. First personal foul. First team foul. Lumabas, yung isang player.
Sabra, sir. Pasok ko na. Natiknikal na rin. Lumabas agad eh. Sabi, sir.
Hindi. Ayun na, Mirador. Pass Lucas for 3. Sumablay, rebound. Ramirez. The floater is good. Going from Ramirez. Sugitan. 14-5 ang ating score. 4 minutes and 20. Paso Castillo. Paso Ginko. 4-3. Sumablay, rebound, Morado. Patino, paso ko po yan. Back to Patino. Basket count. Ayun na, Mirador, paso Sugitan. And basket count. Gang Sugitan. Buto. Ayun na, Morado. 14. Patino. Pasok ko po yan. Time out! Heat.
Nagato ka na naman ah. Dito eh. Gusto mo ako muna? Na nga ako din takbo ng takbo. Ganun din.
Ayun na, Mirador. Sugitan. And basket count coming from Sugitan for 2. Reyes. Pull up, Sublime. Mirador for the rebound. And now still. And Reyes back to Ramirez. Lang yung foul ay tinawag kay Mirador. Substitution, Kabuyan out. Oler in. Ngayon tumama pa sa paa. 4-10 to shoot. Sablay, Gingo for the rebound. Pass to Lucas. And Lucas. Pass to Sugitan. Sumablay, rebound. Tapikan, ayun na. Pass to Oler. Pass to Reyes open. Basket count.
Basic.
Ayun na, bilis mo. Lucas. Basket down. Porten. Oler. Pass to Morado. Basket count. Ayun na, Mirador. Porten. Basket. Jogares. Pass to Patino. Open for 3. Sumablay. Jogares for the boot back. The score 24-13 in favor of VIP. Mirador. 14. Pass to Sugitan. 10. Basket count. Coming from Sugitan. Ayun na, Reyes. Running shot. Sumablay. Chance for the rebound. Pass to Mirador. Pass to Sugitan. And Sugitan. Take. And bomb. Basket count. 24-17, 7-point lead. Patino. Pass to Morado. Traveling. Substitution. 39 seconds remaining. Ayun na, Mirador. Pass to Gingo. Pass to John open. Sumablay. Rebound. And Jogares bring the ball. Ayun, Tabigan. Morado back to Jogares. Take. Sablay. Rebound. Ayun, napaganda pa. Reyes for 2. 9 seconds. 6. 4. Almost, but not quite. Uy, bola ng B-trade. Mendoza. Ayun na, Meru. Pasok ko din nyo. Reyes. And Sanchez. Ayan, Bingo, back to Sanchez. Pasok sa gitan. At meron ng foul. Ayun na, okay, number 25, Reyes. First personal foul, first team foul. Oh, nandito sa Blay, Lastro. Basket, kaya Ram Sugitan. Ayun na, buhat. Paso Batinho. Reyes open. For three. Bang! Reyes for three. Score 30-18, 12-point lead for team. VIP, Mirador, back to Sanchez, to World, Sugitan, the floater, Sablay, rebound, Oler, and buhat, pass to Meru. Ayun na, back to Oler. Back to Meru, open. Sumablay, rebound, ayun na, Sugitan, driving the ball, and Sugitan pa rin. Pass to Sanchez. Sumablay. Foul number 22. Yung nanula ka na, tapos sisigaw ka pa ng oy. 14 to shoot. Ayun na, Sanchez. Mendoza break and bump. Sumablay, rebound. Ayun na, Reyes. Pass to Patinho. Patinho pa rin. Pass to Meru. Orden. Oler, Sablay, Mendoza. Pass to Sanchez. 3-on-2 situation. And Sanchez. Ayun lang, inabot. And Sugitan. At nakakuha uli ng foul. Si Reyes, number 25. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Oh, nandito pasok. Kami ba Sugitan? Last draw. Basket. 30-20 ang ating score. 10-point lead. 6 minutes and 57 seconds remaining. Ayun na. Reyes for three. Sumablay. And Mendoza taking the ball. Mendoza pa rin. Pass to Bingo for three. Sumablay. Rebound Reyes. Pass to Oler. Running shot is good for two. Coming from Oler. Sanchez itinawid. Pass to Bingo. Ilang mataas ang pasa. Time out. VIP.
VIP ball, VIP.
Sa mga nagugutom po ayun, merong special barbecue doon kila Mang Roger at saka halo-halo. O, dito ko lang noon merong menudo, kanin ulam, menudo at saka chicken tofu. Ayun ang meron supply, Mirador, drilling the ball. Mirador, Bubuelo, basket sound. 32-22, 10-point lead. Meron paso pa din nyo. Paso ulit, for three. Sumablay. Sugitan, drilling the ball. Sugitan pa rin. Paso Sanchez, open, for three. Sumablay. Chan for the good back. At meron foul. Ay, di na kay Oler, number 4. First personal foul, substitution. Warning for penalty. Unang tiro sa blind, last throw.
Well, 11 to shoot.
11 to shoot. Ayun na, sugitan. Sumablay, rebound, buhat. Buhat, ayun na. Still gamit pa ang sugitan. Ayun lang. Patinho open. Sumablay. Patinho. Bibit bet, basket count. Ayun na, Sanchez, itinawid. Paso Mendoza, open for three. Sumablay, Ramirez for the rebound. Paso mo, Meru. Meru, paso Patinho. Paso Ramirez. Buhat, for three. Sumablay, ayun na, sugitan, in the ball. Basket count, gamit pa ang sugitan. Ayun na, Patinho. Back to Meru. Paso Ramirez. Paso Oler, open. Basket count, gamit pa ang Oler. Ayun na, sugitan. Back to Sanchez. 14. Mirador, for three. Sumablay. Sugitan for the rebound. Sugitan, the floater, Sablay. Chan for the putback, Sablay. Uy, natapon ang sabaw, substitution. Substitution. And on 36-24, 3 minutes and 34. Our last game for tonight, battle between Sporting versus Brotherhood. Ayun, Sablay. Ayun na. And Sanchez goes to sabay tinulikat. Anak ng baka. Ayun na, Patinho. 4-3. Bang! Patinho, 4-3. Ayun na, Mendoza. Paso Sanchez. Paso Ginko. And Mendoza for two. Ayun na, Patinyo. Pasok Kabuyan. Ayun na. And Kabuyan pa rin. Pasok Murado. Sablay. Ayun lang. Substitution. Twelve to shoot. Ayun na, Patinyo 8. Ganda ng assist. Basket count. Patinyo to Patinyo. Ayun na, Miraton, 41-28, 13-point lead. 14, Polyarca. And Sablay, can for the putback. Sablay, Ginko, ayun, at meron foul na tinawag. Okay, number 18, Ramirez. Penalty. Nang tiro Sablay, Lastro. Sumablay, Ramirez for the rebound. Pasok Patinyo. Patinyo. Nasa labas na. Mirador. To Mendoza. Mendoza. Laser and for two. Coming from Mendoza. Ayun na, Patinyo. Ayun, good ball yan. Mirador win the ball. Mendoza open. 4-3. Sumablay, rebound, Kabuyan. Patinyo win the ball. 4-2 situation. Kabuyan. Pass to Patinyo. Time out. B-Trade.
Score po natin. B-Trade 30. VIP 43.
Back to the ball game. Ayun na, Mirador. Forte to shoot. Bingo, 4-3. Sumablay, Patinyo, ayun na. Paso Patinyo, Sablay. And tapon sa bao. Substitution. Ayun na, Mirador. Paso Murado, Noy Jan. Paso Kabuyan. Paso Alea. Sumablay. And Polyarca, paso Mirador. Paso Lucas. And Lucas. Ayun, still. And Noy Jan rin the ball. At meron ng foul na ginawag. Ay, number 33, Polyarca. First personal foul, first team foul. Alea, paso Murado, open. Basket count. $23 seconds remaining, 19 to shoot. Ayun na. Alea, basket count, 10.
Yan, kasunin mo nga yung pang-spray.
Oh.
Di ba may mga susi? May mga susi. Nandun, nakasigit. Pagpasok ko ng pinto kanan.
Oh.
Oo, andun, nakasigit ko pang-spray.
Ayan na, Noy-chan. Tapos, Patinho. Sablay, Kabuyan, for the footback. Ayan na, Lucas. Paso sugitan. Basket count, gambang sugitan. Ayan na, Patinho. Good ball yan. At ng foul ay ginawa kay Noy-chan, number 11. First personal foul. Sugitan receiving the basket. Paso Mendoza. Sablay, Sugitan for the putback. It's good for two. He scored 49-34, 15 points lead, 9 minutes and 2. Ayun na, Noy-chan. Paso Patinho, erase. And Mendoza. Paso Ginko, for 3. Sumablay, rebound, Noy-chan. Ayun na, Patinho. Sablay, Ginko for the rebound, Paso Chan. Paso Sugitan. Foul number 25, Reyes, third personal foul. The second team foul. 16 to shoot. Mendoza. Back to Sugitan. Offensive. Lea Sinawid. Paso Patinho, open for 3. Bang! Patinho for 3. He scored 52-34, 8 minutes and 10. Mendoza. Mendoza pa rin. 14. Foul number 25. Reyes. Apat na. Third team foul. Ayun na, Sugitan. Traveling, substitution. Ayun na, Noy-chan. Ortiza. Dribbling the ball. Ortiza pa rin. Paso Ginko. Basket count. Alea. Ayun, Mirador. Running shot is good for 2. Alea. Pass to Patinho. Ten. Patiño, Kapos, substitution. Seven minutes and one. Ortiza.
Bro.
Substitution. Ana Jogares tinawid. Paso Ramirez. Paso Olier. Blocking foul. Ay tinawag kay number 21 Sugitan. First personal foul. Toward the shoot. Jogares for three. Lumabas pa Olier. Tumama na sa ilalim. Ayun na, Mirador. Nabitiwan. Ramirez, pass to Jogares. Walang traveling sa fumble. Basket count. Ang tawag doon, fumble. Pag nahawakan ng dalawang kamay, yun, doon palang papasok yung traveling. Jogares, number 30. Warning for penalty. 17 to shoot. Ayun na, Mendoza. Pull up. Sumablay. Sugita. Oy! And one. Basket count. Foul number 22. Kapuyan. First personal foul. Body shot for Sugitan. Ayun, basket. 54-41. 13-point lead. 5 minutes and 50. Ayun na, Jogares. Paso Ramirez. Back to Jogares. 3 seconds violation. Ulan. Ayun na, Mirador. Leading the ball. Paso sa Gitan. Ayun. Ramirez. Leading the ball. Paso Olier. Ayun na. Jogares. Ortiza. Paso Mendoza. The floater. Sablay. Rebound. Kinko. Sablay. Kapuyan. And Mirador for the steal. Paso Ortiza. Open for three. Sumablay. Rebound Ortiza. Sablay. Kapuyan. Paso Patiño. And Patiño 4-in-1. Sumablay. And Mirador bring the ball. Pass to Ortiza. Basket count. Ayun, Sugitan for the steal. Sugitan. Sumablay. And ayun, Olier. Basket count. Timeout. G-Trade. Back to the ball game. 3 minutes, 57 seconds remaining. Starting game clock. Ayun na, Lucas. Pass Ortiza. Ortiza dribbling the ball. Porten. Ayun na, sugitan. Erase. Wow. Eight to shoot. Lucas, pass to John. Sumablay, put back, sablay, sugitan, and one. Basket count. Foul number 18, Ramirez. Ramirez, third personal foul. And sugitan for the bonus shot. Ang basket, 12 na lang ang lamang. 58-46, 3 minutes and 27 seconds. Nero. Paso Ramirez, 14. Ayun, ganda lang assist, basket count. Ayun na, Bulgarka. Paso Chan. And Chan. Angat, Sablay, Morado, and Patino, pass to Meru. Ayun, basket count. 62-46 ang ating score, 2 minutes and 50. And Lucas, pass to Bulgarka. Angat, Sablay, rebound, Chan. 14, Bulgarka ulit. Open, na BT1. And Ramirez pass to Patino, 3-on-1 situation. Patino. And one. Basket count. Foul number 22, Ortiza. First personal foul, substitution. Bonus shot for Patino. Basket. Ayan na, Ortiza. Good ball yan. Another huli. Patino. Tumero. And basket down kay Romero. 2 minutes and 12 seconds. Ayan na, Ramirez. Paso Patino. Back to Ramirez. Meru. Patino open. Sumablay. Mirador for the rebound. And Mirador dribbling the ball. Paso Sugitan. And Sablay. Rebound. Chan. Nabitiwan. And Ortiza dribbling the ball. Ayun, kinaliwa Sablay. Chan open. Sablay. Alea, paso Patino. Ayun na, Meru. Fake. Paso Alea. Sumablay. And Alea pa rin. Back pass. Ayun, tapikan. And Lucas. Paso Mirador. Paso Sugitan. Sablay. Meru. Portre. Sablay. Paso Lea. Sablay. Sugitan for the rebound. Paso Ortiza. Open. Portre. Kapos. Ayun, tapikan. Sugitan. Paso Lucas. Ayun, natapon ang sabaw. Hindi na kinuha kasi may sasap daw. Substitution. Yeah, bigay. Ayan na, Lea, 30 segundos. Meru. Ramirez for 3. Sumablay, Patino. And Sugitan, dribbling the ball. Pass Ortiza. Ayan na, Ginko open. Sablay. 10. Ayan na, Meru. Pass it down. 6. 3. That's the end of the third quarter. The score 69-46.
Kaya maraming tao nag-aabot doon. Sarap.
Back to the ball game. This is our fourth quarter. Our next game for tonight, battle between Sporting versus Brotherhood. Ayan na, Ginko. Open for 3. Sumablay, Sugitan. Aangat, Sablay, rebound. Ayan na. At mayroong foul ni Tinawag kay number 22, Buhat. Second personal foul. First team foul. 14 to shoot. Mendoza open. For 3. Sumablay, rebound, Villanueva. And Villanueva pass to Meru. Meru dribbling the ball. Back to Villanueva. Open. Ayun, basket count. Mendoza. Pass to Mirador. Mendoza for 3. Sumablay, put back, Chan, Sablay, ayun na. 12 to shoot. Ayun na, Ginko for 3. Sablay pa rin. And Mendoza. Basket count. Ayun na, Meru. Pass to Buhat. For 3. Sumablay. Mendoza pass to Mirador. Pass to Chan. Pass to Mendoza. 14 to shoot. Sugitan. Back to Mendoza. For 3. Sumablay. Rebound. Ayun. Tapikan. At meron ng foul na itinawag kay Sugitan. Second personal foul. First team foul. 8 minutes and 27 seconds remaining. Noichan. Pass to Meru. For 3. Sumablay. Rebound. Mirador. Pass to Sugitan. And Sugitan for 0. 71-50. 21 points led. Reyes. Pass to Noichan. Back to Reyes. Open. 14. Pass to Noichan. Ayun na, Villanueva. Sablay. Villanueva ulit. And 1. Basket count. Foul number 21. Mirador. At 31. Bonus shot. Sablay, Mendoza for the rebound. Pass to Sugitan. Sugitan for 2. Ayan na, Noichan. Pass to Meru. Pull up jumper. Sablay. Mendoza for the rebound. Pass to Mirador. And Mirador. Pass to Sugitan. Sumablay. Ayun na, buhat. Paso na Chan. Paso Villanueva. Sablay, Gingo for the rebound. Paso Mirador. Sugitan. Mendoza, por 3. Sumablay. Mendoza ulit, por 3. Sablay pa rin. And Reyes for the rebound. Reyes. Pull up. Sablay. Mirador. Paso Gingo. Por 3. Sablay pa rin. Reyes for the rebound. Paso Villanueva. Ayun na, Noy Chan. 14 to shoot. Buhat for 3. Sumablay. Reyes for the rebound. And Buhat. Paso Noy Chan. Timeout. He trade.
Bitaw na nila ng 3 points. Wala pa natin.
87 na eh.
Bukol na rin.
Ayun ang tapikan. At meron ng foul. Eh tinawag kay number 15, Villanueva. Five minutes and 45 seconds remaining. 75-52. Mirador por 3. Sumablay. Villanueva. Paso Reyes. Reyes in the ball. Sumablay. Sugitan pass to Ortiza. Ortiza. Iyon, Sablay. Ang pasa ay nabuhat. Tupatinho. Sablay. Ortiza. Paso Lucas. Back to Ortiza. Portrait. Sablay pa rin. Ayun, tumama pa sa tuhod. Substitution. Ayun na, Alea. 4 minutes, 54. Paso Reyes. And Sugitan bring the ball. Paso Ortiza. Sumablay. Ayun, nice defense. Ayun, pag sumablay pa yan. Ayun na, Reyes. Fake.
Yo, kaya na kay Mark.
Oler. Foul number 23. Lucas. The second personal foul, 13 foul. Yeah, Sugitan for the steal. Basket count. Alea. Paso na dyan. Back to Lea. 12. Reyes will grab. Sumablay. Rebound. And Mirador. Paso sugitan. Paso Ortiza. For 3. Ayun, may pumasok din na isa. Oh. Oh, pang ano na yun eh, 87 tira. Ayun na, Oler, basket down. Mirador. Paso Ortiza. Lucas. Sablay, sugitan for the putback. Ayun na, napagod na. Oler for the rebound. At meron ng foul. May dinawag kay Gingo. Time out. DAG. Back to the ball game. 3 minutes and 12. $17 to shoot. Ayun na, Patino, for 3. Sumablay. Ayun na, Lucas. Paso Ortiza. Gingo, for 3. Sablay, Kabuyan. Paso Reyes. Paso Lea. And Kabuyan, fade away is good for 3. Minutes and 30. Ortiza. Mirador for 3. Sablay. And Sugitan for the putback. Two minutes and 10. May pull na. Substitution. Penalty na, penalty.
Diyan ka lang, Paul, pagkatas yan.
Oh, nandito pasok, Lastro. 2 minutes and 8. Substitution. Last 2 minutes. Sablay, sugitan ulit. Ayun na. Luwas. Sumablay. Ayun na, Villanueva. Paso Juarez, 14. Kabuyan. Sablay, rebound, Mirador. Paso Ortiza. At meron ng foul na itinawag kay Kabuyan, number 22, substitution. Ayun na, sugitan. And 1. Foul number 4, Oler. Second personal foul, warning for penalty. 1 minute and 25 seconds remaining. Bonisian Sablay, Lucas. Sablay pa din. And Sugitan, sablay pa rin. Villanueva. Pass to Juarez. Alea to Villanueva, erase. And Mirador bring the ball. Back pass to Sugitan, basket count. 1 minute and 4. Ayun na, Botinya open. Sablay. Alea. Running shot is good. 51 seconds, 83-65. Ortiza for 3. 39 seconds. Valero. Two of the shoot. Patinho for 3. Sublime. Ayun na, Lucas. Pagkakataon mo na yan. Ang penal pa. Kanina pa nga tumitira, hindi makashoot, di mo pa pinagbigyan eh. Oh, nandito sa blind, last throw, 17 seconds. Ayun, ibinasok. 83-69. Ayun, gaganti yung Patinho. Ayun o, pupukol ng 3. Bang! Patinho for 3, 12 seconds. Oh, ayun na, Ginko for 3. Sumablay, Juarez. Paso Patinho for 3. Tapos, and that's the end of our game. Congratulations. VIP, kamayan tayo both teams.